Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you fully, completely, and specifically how to remove stuck film in a Fujifilm Instax instant camera. This will be a full tutorial, just like I said before, with some easy steps. So let's get right into the video. I know that was a mouthful, but we'll go over what we're going over right now. Once again, that's another mouthful. So how to remove stuck film in a Fujifilm Instax instant camera, just like this one right here, a full tutorial with easy steps. I'll be showing you how to do that fully, completely, and specifically. Now, this is the Instax Mini 11, but even if you have a different Fujifilm Instax camera, it's going to be very much a similar process. So essentially, the first thing that you want to try is the easiest solution, and it's the most likely solution to work. Now, what you want to do is if it's stuck here, if the film is stuck, whether it's stuck like and it's almost out, or whether it's just barely out of there at all, or if you heard it start printing and it hasn't come out, you want to make sure it completes the printing. That's the goal, okay? So you want to turn the camera on, or if it's already on, you want to leave it on, okay? You want to open the battery compartment, remove the battery. So once that printer stops making that sound and it doesn't come out and it's stuck in there, remove the batteries with the camera on, and then put in new, fresh, high quality, fully charged batteries in there. You want to get brand new batteries, high quality batteries that have a lot of power to them. So brand new, high quality, good quality batteries, put them in there and put them in there with the camera on. You don't want to do it with the camera off. You want to do it with the camera already on. And the printer should sense what happened and it should keep printing. That's the goal. And most of the time, oftentimes that does work from what I've read. It hasn't happened with this camera. I haven't gone through it, but from what I've read through the research that I've done, most of the time that works. But if it doesn't work, what you want to do is with those new batteries in there, you want new fresh batteries because you want to give that motor as much power as possible, okay? You want to turn the camera off by pressing this in, and then turn it back on. Listen for the motor. It should try and keep printing. Try it a couple times if it doesn't work, okay? If you've tried that like 5 or 6, 10 times, 20 times, whatever, if you're continually trying it and it's not working, then that method is not going to work, essentially, okay? So what you want to do is, the next thing that you want to try is sort of like the last resort, okay? And that's because it has the potential of damaging the camera. It has the potential of ruining your film. The picture at this point is ruined. The picture that you printed is pretty much going to be ruined. But what you want to do is get a good grip of that picture if there's enough of it sticking out, and you want to try and pull it out of there. Now, if you're lucky and if you have a good enough grip, you can pull it out of there, okay? And what you want to try and do is then try and print another picture. So don't take the film cassette out, try and print another picture, and hopefully that will work. The goal is that that works, and you just ruined one picture and that's it, okay? But what that might cause is this light to flash rapidly or continue flashing rapidly because it was probably already flashing rapidly before when you encounter the problem, okay? And if that's the case, remove the batteries, put them back in. Continue trying that out. Try even with different batteries. Sometimes different batteries work for one reason or another. And then if that doesn't work as an absolute last resort, you're going to have to just basically write off the film cassette that you have in there. You're going to, like it's going to be garbage. You're going to have to open this up. You're going to have to carefully try and get the film cassette out of there. And it's basically not going to be usable after that. And then you'll see the photo here and try and pull that photo out, but you can actually guide it out of there from this side while you're pulling it out. It might take you a double set of hands. You might need help from someone else, but that's basically how to do it. In an ideal world, you just replace the batteries with brand new, fresh, high quality, high powered batteries that are fully charged, like straight out of the package. While the camera is on, replace those batteries, and that should hopefully work. If not, you can turn it off and on a few times with new batteries in it, and if not, you're going to probably have to pry it out, but you do run the risk of damaging the camera. Although even if the camera does get damaged, when you do that, there are ways to fix it. So, just look it up, do some more research, but hopefully one of these methods works for you, and hopefully it's the most simplistic one. And that is truly it. That is how to remove stuck film from a camera like this. Hopefully you're not in that situation, but if you are, it is what it is, and hopefully that works for you. If you like this video tutorial / demonstration / explanation / story time with me, if you like the video, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Sorry, I know I just messed up my outro, but I've always wanted to do that. Like, here I am. This is me. Put my glasses on, except I have like horrible vision. My vision's like -7 3/4 and -8, basically 7 1/4 and 8 and -8. They're just, my vision's horrible. So like this, honestly, I can't see anything. Like literally, I can't see a thing. And yes, I can see through the screen though. I got to give my little, eyebrow here. I got to give it a shave one time like that to clean that up. Anyways, we're going to go back to the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice big healthy thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as an awesome comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe subscribe for more fantastically awesome videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.